This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Batteries replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable nut and disconnect the cables from the negative terminals of the batteries. Flip open the protective cover, loosen the positive cable nut, and disconnect the cable from the positive battery terminal. Remove the battery hold-down clamp nuts, then lift off the wiring harness and remove the top of the clamp. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. Transfer the insulator from the old battery to the new one. Clean the battery tray, making sure the battery will be set in a smooth, even surface. Install the battery onto the battery tray. Install the battery hold-down clamp top and wiring harness onto the upper clamp studs. Install and tighten the clamp nuts securely. Connect the positive cable onto the positive terminal of the battery. Tighten the cable nut securely and then secure the protective cover over the positive terminal. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Tighten the cable nut securely. Repeat this battery replacement procedure for the opposite side battery. Remember to always disconnect the negative battery cable first and hook it up last.